I'm Dr. Tyler Jorgenson from Palmer, Alaska. My journey in chiropractic started a long time ago when my mom, she started us down this path of looking at alternative things to help us. We didn't have a lot of money as kids, and so she had to look at other ways to help us when we were sick, or if there's other things that we needed to do and we weren't able to go to the doctor. And so we started down this path a long time ago. And my desire to serve people started then. I didn't know that it started then, but the older I got, the more I wanted to help people, but help people in a little bit different way than some of the modern medicine that we have now. I'm grateful for modern medicine, that there's a place for it, but there's also more and more of a place for alternative ways to help people and to help bodies heal. And that's what I became fascinated with, is how the body can heal itself. And when I went to chiropractic school, I was able to find out more and more that the body has this amazing capacity to do what it should do. And sometimes it needs little nudges, little helps along the way, but it's absolutely amazing to watch people heal. I had been trying to find other ways to help the body do what it wanted to do. I love being a chiropractor. I love helping people on as many levels as is possible. And I had been getting certain emails and reading certain things, and the NES Health just kind of fell into my lap, to be honest. And as I started doing some more research and looking at what options there were and how it helped the body want to heal itself, I fell in love with it, on the capacity that we're able to look at how the body needs certain things, and those things can be addressed. And you can put everyone into their own box. They don't have to put into this one certain protocol box. Everyone has their own box, and everyone needs specific help. And that's what I love about NES Health, is it provides us an opportunity to really help people on their own level at where they're at. And it's fun to watch those people heal like that. Recently, I had a woman come into my office, and she was struggling. She had lost a lot of weight, and she had kind of reached a plateau. She had kept her weight off, and she had felt really good. There was just some things that were lingering, and her body wasn't able to get past or move over these little stumbling blocks. And so I love telling people that there's options. And so we did a NES scan. We got to the point where these plateaus came up on the NES Health scan. And it was fun to watch how it all came together. And for her, it was a little bit different because she had done so much for her health before. And so she came and the things that came up on the NES scan were exactly some of the things that we needed to address and that I had wanted to address. And so this is a journey that has started, and it's exciting. I don't see her all day, every day now. She comes in once a month now for NES scans, and she gives me updates as to how some of those health struggles she's now been able to overcome. And it's been an amazing journey, and it's still going. But it's been fun to watch how those scans have correlated to those things that she's needed. And she does really well for watching her body heal. One of the things that came up on this woman's NES scan was the need for the heavy metals infoceuticals. And that was one of the things that I was worried about. As she lost all this weight, I knew that there was other things that she needed to address. And that was one of the biggest things that came up in her NES scan, was the need for the heavy metal infoceutical. And one of the main things that she came in for was not being very regular. And as we started to address that with the infoceuticals, she it was less and less of an issue for her. She became more regular. Now she's able to experience regular movements on a daily basis. And it's made a huge difference in her life. My top tip for practitioners is to help those people that you're helping that have come into your office, is to have them walk away with those top 5 things that they need help with. You don't have to overwhelm them with so much information they don't know what to do with. You follow the scan, you trust the scan, and you give them those top 5 things that came up in the scan. And the body works itself out. It knows how to heal itself. And if we don't overwhelm it too much, it's able to do what it wants to do. One of the things I love about the NES Health scan is that I'm able to open up other avenues of conversation about people and their health. A lot of times they don't know what to do or where to go for the help that they need, and they're running out of options. They've gone to a lot of other people, other practitioners, and they haven't got the help that they need. And I love showing them another option. And the option works. The NES Health scan shows them the things that they need the most help in. And it's fun trusting the scan and knowing that the things that show up there are the things that they need. And we give them those top 5 things, and it's fun to watch those things change. People come back and they say, I'm able to overcome some of these health issues that I've had before. And it's fun because it started with a conversation and with the knowledge that I know that I can help them on a different level that they haven't been helped before. And this scan shows it. It shows where they need the most help and how to get them to where they want to get to. One of the things that I love doing along with chiropractics and using the NES Health scan is that I'm able to show the people other areas that they need help in. They come in just to get adjusted or just to talk about certain pains and aches. But what I'm able to do with the NES scan is show them how those pains and aches correlate to other health issues that they're having. And it's fun to watch. All of a sudden their eyes, they get wide and they're amazed as to what the NES Health scan is able to pick up and show them where those areas that they're struggling in. And a lot of times they don't even tell me that they were struggling in those areas. And it happens multiple times. People see those things and we talk about them and they say, oh my word, those have been things that I've struggled with for a long time. And so it just is another level that I'm able to step up my ability to help those people get to where they want to get to in their health journey. And it's treating the person. It's watching those people not only doing the adjustments that I love to do, but it's also helping those people get to another level of health that they want to get to. And it's fun to watch them know that they can get that here at my office with the NES Health scan.